All right, boys and girls, are you ready to learn your colors with these mega monster trucks?
Yeah!
Let's meet today's racers. Red. Orange.
Yeah!
Yellow. Green.
Awesome!
Blue.
Woohoo!
Purple. Pink.
Yay!
All right then, monster trucks, time to start your engines and get ready to race. And 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to a flying start. These trucks must be late for playtime. They're already at record speed. And over the first jump, what color truck is that? Red! Which color is next? Yellow! And which color truck is next across the jump? Green! That was flipping excellent!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Whoa! He caught the wheelie!
Yes!
I just about fell off my chair! Which color truck is that? Orange!
Yahoo!
Yeah!
Yippee!
Whoa! The boys better watch out!
Yeah!
Which color is that? Pink!
Yes! Wahoo! Woohoo! Yippee!
It's incredible! They're really fighting for the lead!
Yeah!
Which color truck is this now? Purple!
Yippee! Yahoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Flying like a jumbo jet!
Wahoo!
Which color is this speedy truck? Blue! Look at him showing off!
Yay!
They're almost at the finish line! Hold on to your hats, folks! This one's going down in the history books!
Whoa!
As they cross the finish line, let's give these brilliant trucks a big cheer! Shout out their colors to let them know how awesome they are! Here we go! Blue!
Yippee!
Yellow! Red!
Awesome!
Purple!
Yeah!
Orange!
Yay!
Pink!
Wahoo!
Green! Massive congratulations to all our winners! And sitting pretty in first place is Blue!
Yay!
Coming up just a shade behind in second, Yellow! Our talented third place is going to Red! These wonderful trucks are also super interesting for a different reason.
Yeah!
Did you know that they are the primary colors?
Oh!
That's right! The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue! Every other color that you can possibly think of is made by mixing these 3 primary colors. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah!
How would you like to learn more about these fantastic colors?
Yeah!
Well, all right. Let's have a look at this next video where the monster trucks have some fun with primary colors.
Woohoo!
This is a very exciting day for our young monster trucks because today they are headed out to the Desert Adventure Park where they will race in the Super Fun Colors Obstacle Course. The young monster trucks line up at the start of the race. Are you ready, racers?
Yeah!
The starting light changes from red to yellow to green. And they're off! Oh no! The orange truck crashed into the green cactus. But he's okay. The pink truck is in the lead now. She's collecting yellow star power-ups, which should give her enough power to smash right through the red brick wall. Amazing! The blue truck approaches the blue ramp next. And he cuts left, heading for the green tightropes instead.
Whoa!
Look at him go! That's some amazing monster truck skills.
Yay! Wahoo!
He's taken the lead from the pink truck.
Yeah! Vroom, vroom!
The orange truck is back up to speed as he heads for the blue ramp and that could have gone better for him. The green truck is trying to cut through the field of purple grapes. He doesn't have the power to make it. His only hope is... Yes! He's done it! He leveled up and got super tires! The green truck can plow through the purple grapes like they're not even there! The green and blue trucks are in the lead.
Yeah!
But here comes a challenger. The red truck veered off into the yellow hurdles.
Yahoo!
It's slower to jump the hurdles, but it's the only way to get the rocket power up.
Yes!
The red truck is flying through the orange balls for extra points!
Yay!
Oh, amazing! The red truck burns past the blue and the green trucks!
Whoa!
The orange truck is about to tackle the yellow hurdles and that's unfortunate.
Oops.
The yellow and purple trucks are neck and neck as they enter the boxing glove gauntlet. Red boxing gloves are popping up from the ground. The purple truck swerves. The yellow truck zigs, now zags. Oh, the yellow truck goes flying! The purple truck has the banana peel power-up. He's dropping yellow fruit as he goes. That can only mean one thing. Someone is in for a slippery ride. He's sliding right into the pink flamingos. What a feather-brained move. It's anybody's race as the trucks head toward the finish. They must leap through the ring that matches their own color. Here they go! The red truck is the first through!
Yippee!
Now green has done it. Then blue and pink.
Yeah!
The yellow truck is right on his tail. Purple is next.
Yay!
And here comes orange. Ouch, that had to hurt. What an amazing day filled with so many wonderful colors. Can you remember them all? I bet you can. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink.
Yeah!
Great job! See you next time, Monster Truck sports fans!
It's another wonderful day in Truckopolis, and the trucks are more excited than ever because today their favorite band, the GiggleBellies, is releasing a new song. They're so excited, in fact, that Boom Boom doesn't notice he's about to run straight into a fruit stand.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Apples are red, carrots are orange, lemons are yellow, string beans are green, blueberries are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, grass is green. The sky is blue, eggplants are indigo. And violets are violet, well that's a flower you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. And violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere you can see, yeah. Colors were made for you and me. Cherries are red, yams are orange, corn is yellow, peas are green, blue jays are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet, well that's a flower you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Now sing it! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Again! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. And violet are the colors of the rainbow. Everywhere you look, everywhere you see, colors make the world a beautiful place to be.
Oh.
Hey kids! Well, you're in luck. Here come the monster trucks!
Yay!
Yep, it's time for an awesome alphabet rhyme.
Yippee!
Now, there are 26 letters from A to Z. Yeah, that's what I said. Yippee! A is for axle. It helps the truck's tires spin. B is for boom boom. There he goes again.
Oops.
C is for cab, where people sit and look about.
Yeah.
D is for door, for getting in and getting out. E is for exhaust. It helps regulate airflow.
Yeah!
F is for fenders. They protect the tires below. G is for grill. It lets cool air in.
Yes!
H is for hood. It covers the engine. I is for ignition. It helps turn the truck on. J is for jump. Let's jump. Come on.
Yippee!
K is for key. It turns the ignition.
Vroom!
L is for lights to help with night vision.
Ta-da!
M is for monster. Monster trucks. All right.
Woohoo!
N is for nuts. They hold tires on tight.
Yes!
O is for oil. It keeps the engine running smooth. P is for premium. It's the best fuel to use. Q is for quarter panel. There are 2 on each side.
Yahoo!
R is for ramp. Watch the trucks jump real high.
Yeah!
S is for shocks. They go up and down. T is for toe, to pull things around.
Oh.
U is for U-joint. It makes the back wheels turn. V is for vroom. Now watch them burn. W is for wheel. They go round and round.
Yeah!
X is for XL, the largest tires we found.
Yeah!
Y is for yellow, a blinking signal.
Yeah!
Z is for zigzag. Come on, let's wiggle. You've learned 26 letters from A to Z. And lots of truck parts. Easy smeezy.
Yeah!
Now, since you're a pro, and you know what you know,
Yahoo!
let's pick up the pace with an alphabet race.
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo!
It's been such an awesome time.
Yeah!
You did great learning this rhyme. But finally, it has come to an end. Thanks for being my alphabet friend. See you next time. Woohoo! Hooray! Keep on trucking, my friends.
Yeah!
We'll be back another day.
Awesome!
Let's count with the monster trucks.
Yippee!
Yahoo!
Hey there, monster truck fans. I want to hear you cheer in the stands. Meet the monster trucks, all shiny and new. Here we go. I'll introduce them to you. There's Bolt, who is lightning fast. I doubt he will ever come in last. Boom Boom's next, excited as can be. He's a bit clumsy, as you will soon see. Ladybug is brave and loves to do flips. There is no end to her amazing tricks.
Yeah!
Ollie is cautious and always takes his time. He thinks things through. That's the reason why. Dragon likes to show off and often brags. Watch him go as he zigs and then zags. Buzz is a silly one, there is no doubt. He bounces and buzzes as he moves about. Star practices new tricks and is always ahead. She's helpful, kind, and so talented. Now, let's begin our counting show. The trucks will help us, and off we go. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. There's Boom Boom, who takes another try. That was great counting with your newfound friends.
Yeah!
Let's continue on before this ends. All the trucks had so much fun, but they're not ready to be done. The trucks want to do it all over again. They're ready to help us count faster up to 10. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. Oh, there's Boom Boom, who takes another try. Whew. The trucks look beat and need a rest. I'm sure you'll agree they have done their best. Now the numbers want to steal the show. Trucks, stay where you are and don't you go. Girls and boys, can you count with me? Yeah! Follow the numbers and shout quickly. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You did that well, right to the end. Do you want to go faster? I hear the numbers say. So let's try it faster, even faster today. Jump along and have more fun. Let's all start now with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Way to go, numbers, trucks, and friends. Hip, hip, hooray! And now it's the end.